Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to Madam Rosainora and all my classmates. Before I start, I will introduce myself. My name is Wan Imran Adam bin Wan Oni Iskandar and my student ID is 2020603438. Today I will present the movie review, which the title of the movie is The Blind Side. Know about this movie? The movie is basically is based on the true story, and the movie also get the inspiration from the novel, which the title is The Blind Side: Evolution of a Game, that written by Lewis at 2006. And the movie is also directed by John Lee Hancock, and the movie is produced by Broderick Johnson, Andrew Kosovi, and Gil Nater. Production company for this movie is Alun Entertainment, and the movie is also distributed by Warner Bros. Pictures. Time duration for this movie is 126 minutes, which is 1 hour, 2 hour, 10 minutes. And the movie also released at 20 November 2009. These are the synopsis for the movie. The movie is about Michael O'Hare, who is a homeless black teen, has drifted in and out of the school system for years. He also is a special kid because he has disability in learning problems. Then, Anne and her husband, Shane, take him in their family. The Tuhai family eventually becomes Michael's legal guardians and transforming both his life and theirs. Michael's tremendous size and protective instinct made him formidable force on the gridiron, and with help from his new family and devoted tutor, he realized his potential as a student and a football player. The genre for this movie is drama and sports. For you guys who doesn't know, the movie is also motivational movie. And the timeline for this movie is the movie is set in the past around 1994 to 2003. And second timeline is at night, the time when Michael play his first tournament during high school and he wins the first game. And the place is set at Herd Village, Wingate Christian School, and the city of Memphis, Tennessee. There are three main characters on this movie. I will explain one by one. First main character is Michael O'Hare. Michael O'Hare is growing up in Memphis City and he actually very poor. And he also lives with his mother Denise, who involved in a drug addict. Everything changed when Anne takes him to be her adopted son. He also a hardworking boy when he tries his best in his studying along with his football games, even though at first he really close to give up. He also a protective person because he becomes angry when his friend Matt provoke and say something bad about his family. The next character is Tuhoi Ann, the actor by Sandra Bullock. Anne is the wife of Shane Tuhoi, and she also the person most responsible for helping Michael to overcome his past life. She also has two kids, which is Collins and Shane Jr. She also the loving person and sympathetic person because she buy Michael food, clothing, and shelter. She buys him what he needs and eventually allow him to sleep in her home. The next character is Shane Tuhoi. Shane is a coach at Briarcrest at the time when Michael enrolls there. He also is a successful businessman and owns a restaurant which is Taco Bell's. In the Blind Side movie, he probably the person most responsible for helping Michael achieve success as a football player. Tuhai recognized Michael's talents and helped coach him throughout his time at Praia Crest. These are the plot for the Blindside movie. At the beginning, the movie opens with 17 years old Michael O'Hare talking to an NCAA investigator. Then the flashback happened afterwards. And at the rising action, on one cold night, the Tuhai family takes Michael home and starting from that, he lives with the Tuhai family. At the climax, Michael is being investigated by Officer Granger at the police station as she thinks that Tuhai and Misu are forcing Michael to choose Ole Miss University. At the following action, after thinking and questioning Lei and on the matter, Michael realized that the Tuhai are now his family. He tells Granger that he chose the Ole Miss University because it is his own decision to go to Ole Miss University. And the resolution, the Tuhai family sends Michael to his new university. Shen Jr. is seen leading the football player onto the game field with Michael before all local games. There are two aspects that I recognize from this movie. First, its strength for this movie is focused on more aspects of life. Although the movie is about sport, it doesn't really focus on the sport, but more focus on the Michael background. And the weakness for this movie is a lot of background information about Michael are missing out due to the short duration of the movie. Next, I will show you the memorable scenes from this movie.
Enough, so I got you one of those. Of course, the frame was heinous. It's not about to let that in my house, but I got you something nicer.
It's mine?
Yes, sir. What?
Never had one before.
What, a room to yourself?
A bed.
Well, you have one now.
Okay, define osmosis.
I think I know that one. It's when water passes through a barrier.
That's basically right, Michael. Very good.
These are the memorable scenes. I really like the scene where he came into the new home. When he start to stay in his new home. On this scene, it very heartbreaking moment when he confessed that he never had a bed before for himself. I get a little touch of my heart from this scene. This scene shows that not everyone can afford to have the things that we always have. My recommendation from this movie, I will give 4/5 star because the movie is unique and a lot of moral value and quotes we can see on this movie. We can learn the benefit of hard work and the importance of family. And next is the screenplay from this movie is also brilliant. How the cameraman take the angle in every scene and the quality picture from this movie also great. And next is how the story build up and how the movie build up the character and the story. How character develop in this movie also great. And the storyline in this movie is interesting to watch and the character also good. I think that's all from me. I hope you guys enjoy with my presenting video. Thank you for watching the video and yeah, bye. See you soon.